The following video is made for our performance customers. This allows you to see clips of our Polynesian show. All performances are custom made to your request. For more information, contact Sherelle Silva, 808-723-4999. Mehetia Productions is a Polynesian dance school that has been performing for over 6 years, entertaining hundreds with our music, original costumes, and unique yet traditional choreography. We are located on the windward side of Oahu in Kaneohe, Hawaii. Being a non-profit organization, we perform at no additional cost to you. A donation is required depending on the length of your performance request. Additional fees apply for special requests such as fire nights, teaching a dance to the entire group, or private lessons for your wedding debut. A copy of our entertainment request form should be attached to this DVD for your convenience. All donations made will help us to continue classes in our community and benefit all dancers. We can perform anywhere at any time. Shows start from 20 minutes in length through 1 hour long. You choose the style of dancing for your event. We are able to perform a Samoan salsa, fire knife, Maori poi balls, Tahitian otea, orirao, aparima, hula kahiko, and awana. Other styles are available at your request. Please feel free to visit our website at mehetiaproductions.com.